and Peyton's going to be joining me for this video. Go grab it. So today we're going to be showing you guys how to make an EOS. So yeah, we're going to be showing you guys what you're going to be needing. So you're going to be needing a spoon, a microwavable bowl, an EOS container, or just your EO. You're going to need 2 crayons or just one. You're only going to need 1 crayon for the color, but if you want the color to show just a little on your lips, I'm going to be using 2. I'm going to be using the whole pink and half of the red. You're also going to need Vaseline or petroleum jelly, and then I'm just going to be putting in some of my EO that's left. So yeah, before we get started, this week's theme on 7 Shining Kids is freestyle. That's why I'm showing you guys how to make this. And Peyton's, you'll see Peyton's video Friday. And if you have some EO chapstick left over, you're gonna need a knife, no matter what, a butter knife, to be able to get your EO thing ready. So in order to get your EO out, you're gonna need to stick a sharp object or skinny object in your EO. Okay, you're gonna need something sharper like a real knife for this part, and you might need parents watching you while you do this or doing it for you. You have to find the slot and ignore that. Find the slot and this, and just poke in carefully until it pops loose. Alright, I got it loose if you can see it loosening up. So you just need to stick it in there, and literally it took me 30 seconds to get this thing loose. And you're just gonna go like that. So when you get the bracket thingy out of the EO, it should just look like this now. So set those aside. Now your EO is gonna look like this. So I'm gonna be cutting off part of my EO with the butter knife. Since I used it on my cold sore, I don't want to add that into my chapstick. This is garbage. Now you're going to try to get out all the excess EO and stuff. Just get that out of this thing and go ahead and add it into your bowl. And I know you'll have some no matter what. So, yeah. We're going to be taking it out. You can use a knife, a fork, or anything. And if you use this, your EO will most likely still have the scent. Most of the scent. And if you don't like the scent, it's not going to be too strong of a scent, but it will have a little bit of the scent no matter what.
What's that?
Stop. And you just need to get all of this out. And when it's clean like that, you are ready to move on to your next step. Alright, so you're going to be taking a spoonful of Vaseline or petroleum jelly, either one works, and adding it to your little mixture you have here.
Can I get some?
And when it gets all off your spoon, you can add your crayons. So I'm going to take the paper off. So I got the paper off, and I'm just going to be breaking my crayon into pieces so it will melt easier. Now I'm going to be breaking this one in half and using this piece because I don't want my lips too red, because that would be weird. Charlie, no. No. Just trying to eat noodles. Alright, now that you have everything you need in your mixture bowl, just make sure it's all at the bottom and stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds. After we have it in for 30 seconds, we'll update you. While we wait for our EOS, we're going to show you how to put this back in. So this is the bottom and this is the top. See?
Dad.
So you're going to take the brack thing and you're going to take the part that you screw onto your EO and you're going to take the lid and screw it on as tight as you can. And if you need to wipe it on something, it's fine. It's just chapstick, guys. And you get it all tight. Get it all nice and tied it up or whatever. Woo! And that just flew out my hand. And after it's tight, you have your EO on. So we're going to take our spoon now that we have this out and stir it up. And obviously you can tell it's not ready yet. Now time to put it in for 30 more seconds. As you can see, we're starting to get more color, but the crayons still haven't melted yet. So you guys know what that means. We're going to put them in for 30 more seconds. Almost ready, guys. And there's just a few more crayon chunks that should melt within the 30 seconds, but we'll have to see. Alright, so your mixture should now be liquidy, and if there's a few crayon chunks, what you're going to do is take those chunks and toss them in the trash because you don't need them. Now, take what you've twisted on to your EO and pour the liquid into it. Into your EO.
Okay, you're belly.
That's okay. Now you're going to take your EO, which has your liquid in it, wipe off anything that's spilled, even though it's really hot and it's drying into wax because of the crayon. Try not to move it around. Take all of that off and put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. And if you guys don't want it to fall, if you set the cap to your EO inside the bottom, it will stay secure the whole time. You just put it somewhere in your freezer where it won't spill. You guys are going to wait 30 minutes for your EO to be ready. So we'll be back in 30 minutes. Go, Tommy.